Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. And today we are going to discuss about how you can self-host, I should say a local host, self-host on your local system and n8n, so that you can save your n8n workflows onto your local system, as well as you can run it on your local system as a server. You don't need to host it on a cloud, n8n cloud, or even on Render or different paid platform. So it is good for if you want to keep your workflow safe until you want them to delete, and also you can self-host and make them active, listen to requests if your system is always up and you want to keep it listening and working in behind, like in the same way that it does on some cloud platforms. So this is very simple 2 to 3 step process. First of all, you need to download Docker Desktop. If you're on Windows, you just come on web and search this. You will get this first website and just open it, and you will get this one. Install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna do it again. You just come here, click in this button. It will take some time, around, I think it is around 500 MBs. That will take some time, and it will, after download, you just go ahead and install it in your system, and make sure you click on WSL option. It will show you install. You just have to enable it and install it. After installing, you will be able to open it and go to sign in. It will open up in a web. You just sign it with Google, and you choose any of your account. Just go ahead. After signing in, there are only two steps ahead, and you will. Okay, so let me tell you first of all what we need. We need n8n image, and that will be. You just have to check one thing, that this should show engine running. If this is showing, you just come into your file explorer, any folder, any directory that you want. I'm going into C and create one folder. You can name it anything, but I'm going to name it self-host, n8n self-host, and come into it. After, in this, you can open terminal, and here you just have to after checking this thing, make sure this is showing that this is running. If it's not, just resume it, engine running. And now you just come here and type this command, uh, like we have to create one file, notepad, and name it as compose.yaml. I will create a new file. In this file, what you have to type is this simple thing: count GPT, ask it, give local compile file for n8n image or n8n localhost. It will give you something like this. Just copy it, paste in here. Make sure you just update this password if you want, and you can see here is a port. It is showing. Okay, so save it and close it. Come back to your terminal. Everything is set up. Now you just have to pull that image. So what you need to do is type this command with me: docker compose up. This command will fetch, pull the image of n8n into your local system. It will take some time. Let us take its time, and after that, once it is done, we are good to use in n8n on our local system. And once it is done, you can just go into your browser and type it this local host, and that port we were seeing in our YAML file. I think it was something 5736 or related 5678. Type it in here, localhost this will open up n8n. Currently it is being it is not done yet, so wait for it to complete, and after that this link will show you the same interface that n8n have on their website, and you can simply use create new workflows and use them, save them, and those all the workflows will be saved into this folder. Okay, and yeah, everything will be fine. After every time you want to close it, you have to type another command, which is docker compose down, and it will automatically shut down, and you just can close this then. But make sure whenever you want to use it, you first open this docker and check if this is running, and then go into the same folder, this folder that you have created, and run this, not this but this command, docker compose up, and then go into your browser, and with that link you can access it. It is taking some time, but let us take its time, and let me stop the video here, and I'll pause again once it's near to complete. So here we go again. It's almost complete. Just one thing is being downloaded, and it is also just going to complete. And after that, we'll be able to run it on our local system. Let me show you how. Just few seconds, I think. Hmm. It's again taking longer than expected. I think my internet is not that fast. Hmm. Why it stopped at 272 MBs? It's completed. Okay, as you can see that it is pulled already, and now it's just starting up the container. And yeah, now if you come back to Docker, it will show you container that will be running. Okay, this is our container, means it is set up. Or now you should be able to access this link. Here we go. Okay, you can just create an account here, enter some password, whatever you want to, and use strong maybe. Go ahead and click next. Okay, it will ask you some questions like maybe whatever you want to enter in here according to your particulars. And yeah, what is this? It's IP reporting, myself, company size, LinkedIn, get started. Okay, now here is the thing, just send me a free license key. It will send you an email on your registered email address, and from there you can just activate this one. Just come here, open your email address, email. Let me check one. Just last thing, it will send you this email, and you just click in here, activate license key. Make sure you open this in the same browser. Okay, it's not a problem because you're running on a local host. There should not be any issue. Okay, now it's saying that you have activated your environment for free. Now you can access all the features for free. Just start with creating your workflows here and choose them. And whenever you want to close it, just go back and uh, write here Docker compose close down, and then you can also close your this Docker desktop. Now you're good to go. And if you have any question, any query, you can just type in here in the comment section. I will try to answer. And thank you for watching this video.